Hello, everyone. Jeb from Jeb's Project. Let's see what we have on the bench today.
Oh, on the bench we have a Cobra 29 LTD Bluetooth and no TX, no output power. Okay, well, let's turn it on and see what we have here. She's on a dummy load at the moment. And let's key her up. Goes into transmit. No output power, and the needle doesn't move. Okay, well, let's check the voltage on our finals and our driver and see if we have our voltage. Okay, well, let's check the voltage. Let's turn it on. Let's see if we have voltages at our driver and our final. Wow, 12.4. Okay, nothing there. 12.4 there. And of course, that's ground. Well, let's take a look at when we key it, whether we still have 12.4 there. Get hold of the. Alright, now let's try it. 12.2. Wow. I don't like that doing that. 12.4. Okay, we have voltage. Guess we should check to see if we have signal. Alright, let me get set up for the oscilloscope and see if we've got signal. Okay, let's go ahead and probe the driver here, the base. Let's key it up, see if we have anything on the scope. And we don't really have anything. See what it looks like on the driver. Nothing to speak of on the driver either. Okay, well, looks like we chase it back to circuit here. Now let's check it here on this coil. Check this coil. Nothing there either. Okay. Yeah, looks like I'm going to have to look on the schematic and see where it starts. We don't have any drive at all. Okay, without any drive, we can't have output. Let me take a look on the schematic. Okay, it turns out we don't have any receive either. I've got the signal generator set to 27405 at minus 30 dBm with a 1 kilohertz tone. And we're on channel 40 and got a receive, but we're definitely not receiving there. So we've got a frequency problem. Okay, let's dig into the frequency section and see if we can find what went wrong. Okay, here's the block diagram for the Cobra 29 LTD. Okay, we know we don't have any transmit, so start here at the antenna, work our way back. We checked to see if we had any signal at the driver, even at the final. We didn't have signal there. Don't have signal there. Don't seem to have signal at the buffer, and it goes through the bandpass down to the IC3 mixer. At this point, it mixes the 10240 and 16725 through 165 megahertz for the transmit. We went over here, we checked our 10240, and that we do have right here, right here at the by the crystal is 10240. It's good and strong. Checked it at the PLL, the 10240, which is the first two pins up in this corner. Yep, right down here on the chip. These first two pins up here in this corner, you should have 10240 on them. So they had the 10240, but I didn't have the frequency off the VCO. Okay, back here to the block diagram. So I had to go to the schematic. Here's IC1, which is the PLL chip. Off the PLL chip, what I was telling you is right here. 12 and 13. Come off the 10240 right here. Right here to 10240. Off this section comes over to IC2, which is the VCO, the YD7310. Well, wasn't getting signal off of the IC2, sending it back to the PLL and then locking it and bringing in. Wasn't getting over to unlock the PLL. So I replaced IC2, and it worked. It brought it back to life. Okay, IC2 is the the VCO chip right down here at this point. So now all I gotta do is go through, make sure it's on frequency, and align it, and we'll send her home. Well, she's on frequency and dead key at 4 watts. The swing is about 15. Oh, she's doing pretty good. Okay, we'll go send her home and catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.